What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. We have something come in. Xtouc. I don't know. Sorry. I really actually don't know how to pronounce that. I don't know how they pronounce it. I don't know if it's just like Xtouc or Xtouc or... I don't know. I'm going to go with Xtouc. Xtouc. Sounds like I'm adding an S, but I don't know. But, what was it? I think this was called the Seed. Oh, Seed. Okay, right. Yeah, right there. So they kind of reached out to me and everything like that. They said there, some new knives coming out, stuff like that. So asked if I wanted to check them out, and I'm always like, sure, why not? I love checking out new knives, so I can't complain. Anytime I can get my hands on a new knife, yeah, yeah, I'm gonna say yeah. I'm gonna say yeah. Let's see what we got here. So this small, I knew it was small. It's definitely is. Kind of has a mini or a raccoon cub. Kind of a raccoon cub. I wish I had one in here. Kind of reminds me of that in a way. Not quite, but close. Not bad, though. Not shabby. It's got some nice black micarta. Got like a little pivot collar type thing right there. Doesn't quite feel like, obviously, micarta. I don't know what that is. I'll have to look that up. It's different. Not bad, though. Like I said, not bad. Definitely reminds me of a raccoon cub. I like the finger troll right there. Definitely choke up on that, so that's nice. Kind of, they oiled it up, so that's always nice too. Keep it from like rusting and stuff like that, damage in the box. Give it some safe travels. It doesn't feel bad in hand. It is small, obviously, even for my smaller average hands, whatever you want to call them. Not bad. Obviously, you're going to choke up out here. It's going to be a little 3-finger hold. Obviously, you're probably going to choke up on it. So you're going to have all your fingers on there, so that's pretty good. Got a little bit of jimping right there. I mean, like, it's minimal jimping right there. So I guess if you're right here and you're choking up or holding it, yeah, you'd be fine with the jimping. I wish the jimping would have came out just a hairball farther. Not bad, though. It's not a big knife, so it's more like a 5th pocket carry. I think that would be almost perfect for that. Not a bad pocket clip, not bad. It is recessed, but the screws aren't, so it's all right though. Got an extra screw right there for the collar or the backspacer right there. So it is reversible also, which is also nice. Not shabby though. This is very budget friendly. Like it's 20 to 30. It's between that 20-30 buck range. So if you want something small, D2 is a great steel that stays sharp. It is kind of a butthole to sharpen, so that's the downfall. But reason it's hard is because it stays sharp for longer, stuff like that. So you kind of have to weigh your options. But for D2 too, like that's not bad. 25 bucks. I'm gonna say 25 bucks. I'm gonna say that right in the middle. So that's really not bad. It is smaller though, so that's one thing. But that's if you can get past that, that's not bad. Obviously, it's meant that way. Um, it is skeletonized on the inside just a wee bit, and it is a liner lock. They did oil this thing up, but maybe I just got it on my hands. Thumb hole, finger hole works pretty well. Yeah, it opens very well actually for a smaller knife. It is a little thicker though too. It is a little thicker. Let's see what we got here with the raccoon. Actually, it's as thick as a raccoon. So that's really not too bad. Maybe a hairball thicker. So that's not bad. It's not too bad. It does just remind me of that raccoon cub vibe. Kind of excited to kind of carry this around and check it out. Not bad though overall. I did notice this. It kind of threw me for a loop at first. The liner lock's hitting on the inside of this. Not for some reason, I don't know why I was expecting it to hit this right here, that little nub right here. But obviously it's inside a little bit, so it's not bad though. It does feel like it needs broke in though. Definitely broke in. Maybe a little KP or KLP. I always say that wrong. KPL. I had to literally just look it up or look at my bottle. So we'll probably get a little KPL on it. But I think it won't be so bad once I get it kind of worked in and moving. And I just wish the jimping was a little longer out there, a little farther out on the blade. I think that they would have had it come out here. This thing would be popping. But it's not bad though. It does seem a little, I don't know if you guys can hear it. It does probably need taken apart and some work done to it. Just a little bit of KPL everywhere. It's a little stiff. That liner lock's a little stiff. But again, break it in, get it going. It'll just be, be just fine. Well, not bad though. Don't really have a lot to say about it because I don't really know a lot about it at all. But we'll get some more information. We'll get some other stuff for you about it in the final review. But this is the Xtouc seed. I hope I'm saying that right. Xtouc. I'm still like tripping over that. Xtouc seed. But yeah, I wonder why they call it seed. Maybe because of that. It looks like a seed. Or it looks like that freaking candy corn crap for Halloween, you know what I mean? That's what it kind of looks like too. I don't know, it's kind of funny. Maybe I'll get some other knives out too to compare this to, like later when I do the final review, like the Devo Nip Light. I've got that. I've got some other small ones. Here, hold on, right here we can. Here's a Civivi Mini Praxis. This is all I've got out right now, so it definitely is quite a bit smaller, but it's a little chunkier, a little chunkier. Wow, that looks quite a bit chunkier. Yeah, so it's quite a bit chunkier. Yeah, it's a little bit bigger than the Mini Praxis thickness wise. So that's, yeah. So I don't know. Maybe that's not too bad though when you have a smaller knife. That little bit of extra in the hand, I kind of actually think that might be better because it's got a smaller handle. Obviously, it's not as long as this, the Mini Praxis. So maybe that thicker handle is probably going to work a little better though. I'll have to let you guys know that, like I said in the final review. If you guys have any comments, questions, anything like that, let me know down in the comment section. And if you guys like the video, just leave a thumbs up. Thanks.